Hey, Stan the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent. People always say, is it Stan the Man or Stan the Annuity Man? Well, my dad named me after Stan Musial, which is a baseball player. For all you old timers out there, you know who Stan Musial is. Of course, I'm a contrarian. I didn't play baseball. I played basketball. So I digress. What are we here for? We're here to talk about immediate annuities, life with a period certain. What does life with a period certain mean? Sounds kind of crazy, sounds kind of complicated. It's really not. And I'm going to explain it and even walk to the whiteboard and write it out so you fully understand it. So with that, let's go to the musical interlude at the sound of my clap. So life annuities with period certain, let's break that down into kind of two parts. Life annuity. Life annuity means it's going to pay you for the rest of your life regardless of how long you live. It's a transfer of risk. That's the value proposition that only the annuity category can provide, is a lifetime income stream. So life only, but with the period certain. So why would you add that period certain? I kind of call that a backstop, meaning that there's a guaranteed attached so that if you die early in the contract, then there's going to be some form of payments going to somebody in your family, the listed beneficiaries of the policy. But let's kind of go a little deeper than that. I'm going to go to the whiteboard and we're going to draw on the whiteboard to make it even more simple for you when we're talking about life with period certain. How quick was that? Didn't even see it, did you? Stan the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent, fastest writer on the planet, as you can just see. So let's talk about life with period certain. What does that mean? I've written down some examples for us to go through, and let's go through them right now. So let's break down the first one, life with 5 years certain. That means it's going to pay you for the rest of your life, regardless of how long you live. But let's just say you died in year 3. There's going to be 2 more years of payments. 5 minus 3 equals 2, right? But what happens if you live past 5 years? You live 6 years and you die, then there's no money left for the beneficiaries. That makes sense? Let's do it again. Life with 10 years certain. What does that mean? It means they're going to pay you for the rest of your life, regardless of how long you live. Correct? Let's just say you die year 7. How many more years of payments? Did I hear 3? Did what? Yeah, 3. Correct. There are 3 more years of payments. If you died in year 2, there's 8 more years of payments, right? If you die in year 11, there's no payments. Let's do it again. Life with 20. Life with 20 years certain. Life means life. Life means regardless of how long you live, they're on the hook to pay. They meaning the annuity company. You die in year 11, how many more years of payments? Did you say 9? Yeah, okay, 9. 9 more years of payments. Do you get it? Do you get how it works? Okay, good. Live 21 years, no more money's left. So what people are doing with these types of structures is they're saying, I want a backstop. I want some type of a guarantee in addition to the lifetime income transfer of risk that I'm buying with the annuity company. And I think that's just a reflection of people worked hard. You've worked hard, I'm assuming, right? Right? Most people work really hard and they don't want all of the money to go poof when they die. I did a recent YouTube video you need to watch about life-only structures. And life-only is when your Learjet hits the mountain, money goes poof. It's the highest payment. So let's talk about the last one, life with installment refund. They say, well, Stan, installment refund doesn't mean period certain. It actually does. What installment refund means is this is a period certain, but based on your life expectancy to the day. So if you said, Stan, I want a lifetime income payment, but I want to make sure that 100% of the money that I don't use goes to the listed beneficiaries, but I want the highest contractual guarantee, that's life with installment refund. That's as close to having your cake and eating it too in the annuity industry. Life with 5, life with 10, life with 20, life with installment refund. These can also be set up joint life with 5 year, joint life with 10 year, joint life with 20 year, joint life with installment refund. And of course, the joint life covers both lifetime income streams. Now, let's look at it from the standpoint of where can you use this? Can you put these structures inside of an IRA? The answer is yes. Can you put these structures inside of a Roth IRA? Yeah. Can you use it outside of an IRA structure, a non-qualified account? Absolutely. The difference is how the income stream is taxed. But an immediate annuity or a deferred income annuity can be used in all different types of account structures: IRA, non-IRA, Roth IRA. Now, let's also take a look at which pays the highest. Now, think logically for a second. The less guarantee, the higher the payment, right? Because you're shouldering more of the risk. So under the life in 5, life in 10, life in 20, the life with 5-year is going to be the highest contractual payout because it has the least amount of what I call backstop in there, okay? Now, life with installment refund, people say, what's that mean again, Stan? Let's just say your life expectancy is 14 years, 8 months, and 3 days. So you got 14 years, 8 months, 3 days. That's the installment refund. Instead of it being a 20-year period certain, it's life with a 14-year, 8-month, and 3-day period certain. That's what life with installment refund means. Does that make sense? So I hope this has cleared up kind of the life with a period certain. I got a couple stories I got to tell you, but I got to clean the board first. Okay, we're talking about life with period certain income annuities. The call I got recently is the call I get every week. It's a person that calls up, they're thinking about an immediate annuity. They've talked to their friends that know nothing about immediate annuities. They talk to their financial advisors that probably don't know a darn thing about annuities except for they hate them all for whatever reason, which is crazy because if you hate all annuities, you hate all restaurants. But this person was under the assumption, like too many people are, and I blame the annuity industry, that life only is the only choice you have with immediate annuities and deferred income annuities and QLACs. It's not true. The vast majority of people that buy lifetime income annuities do not buy life only because they want to make sure that there's some guarantee for their beneficiaries if they die early in the policy. A lot of other questions I get is, can I do a life with 7-year, or a life with 6-year, or a life with 11-year, or some weird funky number that's not an even number like 5, 10, or 20, or 15? Absolutely. Annuity quotes are customized, and we will quote all carriers. If you said, I want a life with 11-year period certain, we can do that. Whatever that means to you, if that's how you want to structure it. And again, ask yourself the 2 questions. What do I want the money to contractually do? And when do I want those contractual guarantees to start? And remember, it doesn't have to be life only. It can be life with a period certain. Okay, so we've covered the life with period certain. I've done another video on what is a single premium immediate annuity, which is probably a good thing to go watch because that's where you buy the life with a period certain. Now, with that being said, I'd love to send you this book, Single Premium Immediate Annuity Owner's Manual. I'll actually send you all 6 of my owner's manual, but this is the one that you need to probably take a look at. And on the back, it shows my picture of I Heart Lifetime Income. That is a t-shirt that I wear, and I do like annuities for lifetime income. They are the only products on the planet that guarantee income for life regardless of how long you live. I would encourage you to go to theannuityman.com to get a free quote, no obligation, no cost, nobody bugging you and calling you and showing up at your doorstep. You just get the quote, and we'll send you the books, and there's podcasts. And again, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel because I release a new video every single day, Monday through Friday. But visit us at theannuityman.com. I will see you next time.